How to delete Facebook account. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now once in there, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard menu option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the Facebook menu. Again, once in the menu section, scroll down and tap on the Settings and Privacy option available in there. Once you tap on the Settings and Privacy, all you have to do is tap on these settings. Now inside the settings, all you have to do is tap on the Account Center at the top and navigate to the account settings. Now here tap on the Personal Information option available. Then all you have to do is tap on the account ownership and control button available there. Then tap on the deactivation and deletion. Then you will have to confirm your profile again, tap on it. Then tap on the delete account from the option and tap on the continue button available there. Again tap on the continue. Then you will be provided with some options available here. Tap on any and tap on the continue button available again. Then all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the continue button available there. Then you will be asked for your Facebook password, and once you provide the Facebook password, then you can simply delete your Facebook account easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.